Okay, in front of me is Amazon Fire HD 8 Kids Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to access App Store and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now choose Continue. Click on While using the app or only this time, select Allow, and click on Yes, I agree. Finally, you can start your recording by tapping on this red button. Then you can pause it or unpause it by choosing the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left one, type wherever you wish to, or not at all, and choose OK. You can end it and save it by tapping on the check mark instead. Then hit save at the top right corner. And as you can see, my recording is over here. In order to play it, tap on it. If you wish to rename it, tap on those three dots. Scroll down, choose rename option and type in wherever you wish to. Then click on OK. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Select this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!